Hey everyone, I'm Adam and welcome to Bizora's first ever Q&A session. So why are we doing this today? Basically to introduce ourselves to you so you can understand and learn more about us, what we can do and how we can help. So let's begin. What's Bizora in one sentence? Bizora is essentially the tax engine for tax's last mile. See, the frontier models are getting really good at doing a lot of tasks. But what they can't solve is all the different edge cases that tax has. Tax has so many complications. I know it because I used to work at EY and I saw all the different edge cases that would pop up because in tax, every word is critical and one different fact can change the whole answer you're about to give. And that's why we call it depends a lot. So in this case, that's why we're building Bizora to solve all those edge cases for you, one case at a time. So how exactly does Bizora work? Bizora works at an expand and collapse model. There's agents, sub-agents, and sub-agents working for Bizora in here. So each task is given to a specialized agent that goes and does the research for you. So that's why it separates itself from a generic AI chat model. So that's how we're able to do a very specialized, unique task. And that's we've been able to do very unique edge cases for tax in this case. How does Bizora launch features? So we launch features depending on customer feedback and also taking into account our product roadmap to see how we can provide the most value to tax professionals. What is the vault? So the vault is one of our features for mass document review. You can take 100 documents up to at a time, upload them and get them reviewed simultaneously. It is also the place where you will be able to create different projects, store documents over there, and essentially then bring those documents into the AI assistant. So we believe that context matters. And in this case, you will be able to bring in all the information or chat history that you've already done that analysis on to your next workflow that you start building out. So that's where the vault comes into place. So the vault connects to your AI assistant directly. So there is no context loss in between. So the entity is a feature that we launch to preserve your context and the information about your different clients. Sometimes we have tax professionals that are juggling 200 to 300 clients. We wanted a place where Bizora can learn more about their clients and be able to give them the most personalized information available so that they can preserve and give the best work possible to their client. So what you do is whenever you ask a question about a client or you upload a document, Bizora goes ahead, understands that, and puts them into entities folder where it has all the information. So the next time you want to ask the question about the same entity, you can attach that entity in there and it will pick up all the context and memory it had before. What's the canvas? The canvas I look at as your writing page. So the canvas, if you would see in the frontier models, are designed to be able to serve a wide variety of users. But the canvas specifically in Bizora is for tax professionals. So when you go in the canvas, you will be able to see a lot of different features that are specific to tax professionals. Over there, you will be able to see if you want to add in more compliance forms, you want to bring in a calculation for examples, what kind of audience you're catering it to. So go ahead, give it a try. You can do all your writing directly in the canvas and then you can shoot it off too. So we want to be integrated with all the tools you use in your different stacks. So you don't have to keep ahead. And we want it to be a collaborative environment. So that's why we launched new integrations. Some of the integrations we've launched already is your QuickBooks, your Xero account, your Google Drive, and your Gmail account. We have more integrations coming down the line. But if you want any other integrations that you would really love in the platform, please reach out to us. Let's talk about security. So with Bizora, we have the zero-day retention policy signed. We believe that Bizora is a security-first company. So what we've done at the same time is we've taken a look at the new IRS guidance come out for AI, and we've actually gone ahead and created an AI usage guideline for firms to use. You can go ahead and access that directly from our website, download it, and see what should be the AI policy for your specific company. And if we talk about data security, just know that Bizora will never train on your data. Let's talk about Bizora's knowledge base. What does Bizora cover? Bizora has all the federal information. It has state information that includes sales tax and property tax. And then at the same time, we have the OECD guidance built in. On top of some of the features that we're launching Audit Research, and then we're expanding to the G20 countries by the end of the year. Bizora can help you with your tax planning questions. Take a question, give it a lot of what if scenarios, CL analysis come in, and at the same time, you'll see a decision tree at the end of every answer. Those decision trees are really helpful to explain to clients what are the yes and no decisions. Those decision trees I really like because you can really see those yes and no scenarios. I am a visual person, and those decision trees are really helpful to me, and hopefully they're helpful to you. We were able to move first and launch our API MCP. To access the MCP, you do not need a subscription to Bizora. The MCP is on a usage basis, and it connects to the AI tools you're already using. If your AI tool has an MCP host, you can go ahead and connect Bizora through accessing our URL. You will need to create an MCP account, get your API key, and you load up credits. Each question has a flat rate starting at 25 cents. Some of the ways that I use CMCP is because I have so much context already within Claude as my personal AI assistant. And I have so much context built in there that sometimes I want to bring in that context directly and I can layer on its database and knowledge for that specific tax workflow directly in there. And it's the same thing with the AI assistant. The MCP has a 0-day retention policy. Now, we've created a lot of tutorials. You can go ahead on our channel and access the different tutorials we've uploaded of being able to see Bizora live in action. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.